Dear student, today we enter into the chapter 3rd, theory base of accounting. In this chapter, we will study about the gap. Gap gap is generally accepted accounting principle. It is the gap stands for generally accepted accounting principle. Actually, gaps. What is gap? These are the basic rules that define the parameter and constraint within which accounting operate. And these principles are the theory base of accounting. And on the basis of this, we prepare a financial statement. We can say that these are the guidelines for preparing the financial statement. So, dear students, gap are the principles that we follow, and these are the general rules and law which we are adopted and proposed as a guide to take action, a settled ground, or basis of conduct or practice. Accounting principles are the basic or fundamental proposition which is accepted by the accountant. Accounting principles are based on where transactions are recorded and financial statements are prepared. So, further, gap is classified into two categories: concept and conventions. Means accounting concept and accounting convention. Actually, accounting concept are the basic assumption or fundamental preposition within which accounting prepared. These are generally accepted accounting rules based on which transactions are recorded and financial statements are prepared. It is important to the it is important to follow the accounting concept because it enables the user of financial statement to understand them better and apply in the same manner. Convention means output. Output of what? Out, Outcome of accounting practice or principle being followed by the enterprises over a period of time. These conventions may be changed with the time and it can bring improvement in in the quality of accounting information. So dear student, you studied about the gap, and the gap is now further classified into two categories: concept and convention. If you having any problem, you can ask me. you can call me on my WhatsApp number or call. Thank you.